Okay, so we're going to get ready to balance the wheel. The first thing we do is if we're going to use bang on weights on each side of the wheel. So we're going to use a weight on the inside and a weight on the outside. That's just a standard dynamic balance. The machine's on. All we need to do is do our settings. So that one is asking for the width of the wheel. So if the wheel's 6 inches wide, we adjust that here, like so. This is the screen. The next thing it'll want is it will want the diameter of the wheel. So is it a 14 or a 15 inch wheel? We need to input that here by pressing the plus or minus. The next measurement it wants is a measuring stick. Here's a picture of it here. So you put those 3 measurements in, push the wheel, press start, and it will come up with a figure of how much weight and where to put them. And you put your weights on either side of the wheel. That's a dynamic wheel, that's all sorted. The next one we need to do, it would be when we're going to do stick-ons. So when we do an alloy 2, and we're going to use a stick-on weight. We'll put a stick-on weight on the inside of the wheel, and then we'll use a bang-on weight on the other side where the bang-ons usually go. So when we're using a stick-on weight, what we need to do is the machine's on, we press the plus sign once, twice. Brings up a screen here that says ALU2, okay? And it will also light up on here like this. Next it wants our dimensions. The first dimension it wants will be the measuring stick to the inside of the wheel. So the measuring stick again to the inside of the wheel. We press the next dimension or the next measurement. It wants the very inside where we're going to put the stick on weight. It wants to know where we're going to put that stick on weight. So you push the measuring stick like this to the inside of the wheel, and you take that measurement off the yellow measurement stick. The next part it'll want is the diameter of the wheel. So it's a 14, 15, 16 inch wheel. That's where you put this in by plus or minus. Once you've done that, push the wheel, press start, it'll come up with your figure.